Hello students, welcome to Xtream Telugu YouTube channel. I am Gayatri. In the previous video we have learnt about substitution method to solve linear equations. And in today's video we will be learning about elimination method to solve the same linear equations. Let's start. Firstly, let's try to understand the difference between the substitution method and the elimination method. Substitution method is a temporary replacement of the variable, whereas the elimination method, here you are actually eliminating, means taking away the one of the variable to find out the value of the other. So this is how the elimination method goes. Let's try it with a simple equations. Let's take this as equation 1. Let's take this as equation 2. Now, we'll solve equation 1 and 2. We will add, solve in the sense we will add. So, x plus y is equals to 8 is added to x minus y is equals to 6. Now x plus x gives us 2x, y plus of minus y, or else we can go with the algebraic things, similar terms, that means like terms with the same coefficients gets cancelled. So plus y minus y gets cancelled. So it remains 0 over here, which we don't mention it all. Is equals to 8 plus 6 gives us 14. Now 2x is equals to 14. We need to find the value of x. So from here we'll send this 2 to the other side, which becomes division. So x is nothing but 14 by 2, which is 2 ones and 2 sevens. So value of x is 7. Now by using this x is equals to 7, we have to find the value of y. Now here again we use the substitution. We take any of the equations, either equation 1 or equation 2. So we'll write substitute x in equation 1. So we get it as 7 plus y is equals to 8. I have substituted this in the equation 1 directly. So y gives us 8 minus 7, where we get it as y is equals to 1. So therefore x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 1. So these are the values of this equation. Now one point I want to mention here. Now in every equation every variable will have a value. Now that value should be a solution too. Now what is meant by solution? Solution is a number which satisfies the equation. Satisfying means balancing the LHS and RHS of the equation. So if you substitute these values in any of the equations, the LHS and RHS should be equal. Let's try with this equation. Okay, this applies to the substitution method also. So that we call it as check. So let's check this one. So take this equation, x minus y is equals to 6. Now this is RHS, this is LHS. Substitute x and y value in LHS. You should get RHS. If that is the case, then you can say these both are the solutions of these equations. Otherwise, we have done a mistake. We need to recheck our procedure completely. Now let me substitute here. X is 7 minus y is 1, which we are getting it as 6, which is nothing but our RHS. So we got LHS equal to RHS. So these x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 1 are not only simply the values but also solutions of these equations. Okay, so when you have any doubt about the values which you have found out, if you want to check whether they are correct or wrong, go for the checking part. If you are very much confident, that's okay. But if you ever have any doubt, go for the checking part. That helps you a lot to improve this one. Now let's try out one more problem by using this elimination method. Now in the previous equation we have done addition, right? Now in this equation we try to do subtraction. We try to subtract two equations. Okay, we do it accordingly now. Let it be equation 1, equation 2. Okay, so if you add them, there is a chance of cancelling 3y and minus 3y. Okay, I'm changing this equation. Let us take it as 2x minus something like 7y is equals to 10. Let's try with this. Okay, so what do we get? Now here 2x and 2x both are like terms. But if we add this equation, we don't have a chance of getting cancel the terms. So in this case, what are we doing? We are subtracting the equations. So let's subtract. You have to mention what from what. Okay, subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. If you want to do equation 1 minus equation 2, that is also fine. Okay, so I'm doing equation 2. So this is my equation 2, right? So from this, I'll be subtracting this. So this will be at the top. Minus 7y is equals to 10. This will be at the bottom. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. Now we are subtracting this. Okay, so 2x minus 2x gets cancelled, where you get it as 0. When we cancel the terms, we don't write it as a 0. Okay, now minus 7y minus of plus. Minus of plus gives us minus. Okay, so minus 7y minus 3y gives us minus 10y. Now 10 minus 7. Right, that means 10 minus of plus is here minus. 10 minus 7 gives us 3. Now minus 10 goes to other side, becomes the division part. Minus 3 by 10. So this is the y value. By substituting this in any of the equations, we need to get the x value. Now let's try with that. So substitute y in equation 1. Okay, so 2x plus 3 into y value is minus 3 by 10 is equals to 7. The procedure may be little complicated, but when you do it step by step, definitely you will get an accurate answer. 2x. Now check for the numerator and denominator for any cancellations. Here there is no possibility, so we simply multiply. Plus of minus is minus. 3 3 is 9 by 10 is equals to 7. Now again the fractions we have here. Now we take the LCM. Here the denominator is 1. To make it 10, we multiply this with 10. So this becomes 20x minus 9 by 10 is equals to 7. Okay. Now this 10 goes to the other side. Since it is denominator, when it goes to the other side becomes numerator, which is for multiplication. So 20x minus 9 gives you 10 into 7 gives us 70. Now minus 9 goes to the other side becomes plus 9. 20x is equals to 70 plus 9. Now we get 20x as 79 and finally x as 79 by 20. Now this is an improper fraction which we need to convert into mixed fraction. So x is nothing but 2360 and 19 by 20. And we got y value as minus 3 by 10. Okay, so this is how we do elimination method by using addition and subtraction. Few more problems will be solving in the next video by using the same elimination method, because elimination method takes a bit time to understand, but if you really understand, this is the easiest method than the substitution. That's my suggestion. If you like it, please like and share this video and subscribe to Xtream Telugu YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.